Hello, I'm Avery. This is Online Income Network. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make a PayPal.me link. You can use this link to get money from customers, or you can use it to get donations. But if you're looking to get donations for a charity or a cause, then you should check out this video here because I show how to make a donation button. One of the best things about this link is that you don't need a business account to have it. You can have this with your personal account. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started on making one. So from the dashboard, I can go right to request. But if for some reason you don't see requests on your dashboard, you can go to send and request up at the top. And then clicking on that, you can see request tab. And then from there, I want to go to get your own PayPal.me. Help people know it's you they're paying. With a photo and unique link, people can see you have a PayPal account. So I want to go ahead and click on PayPal.me profile. And I'm going to start with adding a photo. So that's what I'm going to do right now. After choosing a photo, I can adjust it and then click save. Next, I want to choose a unique link. I'm going to put Online Income Net. And thankfully, it was available, so I'm going to use that one. If the link you want to choose is already taken, it'll let you know, and you'll have to choose something else. After that, I can review my profile. I like how my profile looks. So I can click on the box that I agree to the terms and conditions, and then I'll go ahead and click on agree and create. Now my profile is live and I can go ahead and check it out, or I can be done right now, but I'm going to go ahead and manage the profile. And from this page, you can see that I can turn on and off the link at any point in time. It asks me if I'm sure I want to turn it off, but I'm going to go ahead and cancel that. Right under that, it says you're accepting personal payments, but I can change it to accepting goods and services. For personal payments, you can see that it's free. And for goods and services, you can see that they have a charge. The charge for PayPal is usually around 2.7, 2.9%. PayPal does have a purchase protection on eligible items for your customers. So that should give your customers some comfort buying through PayPal. I'm going to keep mine at personal payments, and then I'm going to go back. And the next thing I want to do is go to personal message. And I want to put a personal message as if people are donating to the channel. I can review my link again, and then when I'm done, I can press save. I could add a cover photo, but I'm not going to do that. Don't feel like it's necessary. So instead, what I want to do is take my URL and I want to open a new tab and test it out. And you can see that this is the page that customers are going to see. From here, they can choose how much they're going to be sending. And for this, I decided to choose $5. They can choose to add a note. And if they click on that they're paying for goods and services, it'll ask them if they want to put in a shipping address. So now you have a PayPal.me link that you can use to further your business and brand and accept money online. So hopefully the information was useful to you. If it was, why don't you go ahead, like, subscribe, share with a friend, click the bell notification so you get notified when new videos come out from me. Make new videos every week. Thanks for watching. Oh, last thing, check out my PayPal playlist. I show how to make PayPal buttons. So if that interests you, check it out.